We go now to an update on a bizarre incident in St. James this morning. A tanker driver is recovering after the IGL tanker truck he was driving caught fire on the Rose Hall Main Road in the parish. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
What started as a gas leak escalated into a raging fire roaring through an IGL tanker laden with 6,000 liters of LPG. Scores of passers-by assumed their positions on the Rose Hall Main Road in St. James to watch what appeared to be an explosive scene from an action film. An ambulance, police personnel and firefighters were also on location. In addition to controlling the blaze, the safety of motorists was equally important.
We started closing down the highway in working together with the police in order to alleviate the possible risks of other motorists and pedestrians involved in the incident. That took some time before we were able to contain and stabilize the incident.
Minutes earlier, the driver of the tanker truck was also on fire. Firefighters say when the tanker developed a problem, the driver came out to inspect it, and shortly after, the tanker burst into flames. Remnants of the driver's attire were a testament to the severity of his ordeal.
We can confirm that he sustained burns in trying to ascertain what was the situation, and he was rushed by the police to the Falmouth Hospital where he's been treated for minor burns.
In a statement this afternoon, IGL said the company regrets the injury of the driver and it's monitoring his recovery process. IGL says it adheres to the highest standards of service through rigorous training and supervision by its Quality, Health, Safety and Environment Division. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.